The following video was created before the Merseyside arrest and before the bail restrictions were put in place. Enjoy the following video.
So, I've asked you nicely, I've said to you that you're not meant to do it. I've even got a British Transport Police reference which they got from me from interchange.
Oh well, British Transport Police can go suck a big one. Bye, Karen.
See you later, Karen. That's just rude, isn't it?
Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. It's on it in Yorkshire and look who it is from the Broadway shopping centre. The one and only, what's your name? Hey. She's not going to tell us the name, she's going. Yeah, we are at Bradford Forster Square. And obviously I'm with these three goons.
Yeah, man.
Sorry, I just got like mid-distracted then, but I'm going to actually leave that in intro. I was just about to do it and then I started, she's like, have you been doing this all day? Like, just carry the intro on casually, bro. 100%. Ryan got an i5.
I got an i5.
Just a camera, mate. Yeah, just a camera.
Yeah, just a camera.
Yeah.
The size of his camera to the size of mine, you know what I mean? I got to measure it. I got to measure it.
What, you like YouTubers?
Yeah.
Small, innit?
Oh, we're from all over.
From all over, I've got Midlands, Yorkshire and Lincolnshire here.
Keep going.
All over the country, bro.
We're recording the YouTube,
Yeah, record everything we want. And then
Yeah.
when people tell us we can't record in public, we tell them we can. Good lad, that's how I like it. That's how we like it. No man, just gonna record around here. See what's around here.
You'd be surprised where you can get content, mate. You'd be surprised how many people go nuts when you pull a camera out. So yeah, this is. See you later, bro. This is Bradford Forster Square, guys. We did do Bradford Interchange as well, so I thought it'd only be fitting that we did the Forster Square train station. They also have a free water refill station.
Ooh. Too bad I ain't got a container.
Yeah, they had one of them at Interchange. Welcome to Yorkshire. What's this?
Anyway, I'll leave you to it. Right, nice to meet you. Hiya, can I get a return please? One adult, one child.
There it is. We've got a map of Bradford. See if we can see where we've just been actually. Let's put up there. There we are, guys. Bradford Forster Square.
Do you know how
That's where we are. Yeah, this is only a smallish station. Some sort of warning, penalty fare warning thing, what we saw. What is it? Over there, Leicester. Oh. So it's going out. See what's going on out here.
Yeah.
That'll be buzzing.
Oh, he's plugging away in finger platform again. Cheers, bro. You had a good day, yeah? Yeah, nice one, mate. Yeah, so these are the kind of trains what are used.
Get them angles.
Around Bradford, Leeds, multiple other places as well, to be honest. These are northern trains.
These northern trains are quite nice.
Yeah, they're alright, they're alright. Yeah, they're alright, yeah.
They're nice. He said that's the best one that we've got, this one here.
Oh, that one there?
Yeah.
This is the best one we've got?
Yeah.
Nah, this one's got to be. This one's crap. This one's one of the old
Oops.
ones. This one's one of the old ones.
Yeah, man. It's alright, isn't it? Just surveying it, mate. Don't worry. It's not to worry about. Surveyors.
Yeah, looking like
Yeah. Absolutely. If you can just see Cab Barrett as well, actually. We are breaking bylaws actually at the minute, but we don't seem to mind. But we stood right on the platform edge looking through there. See you later, buddy.
Right.
Yeah, we don't seem to mind at all. Friendly bunch round here, so that's setting off now. Where's this one going? Ilkley. Yeah. I've done a bit of filming round Ilkley, not much, just been to police station. I think that's it. I think we're just passing through. I've actually got a member film. So.
Oh yeah.
But Ilkley police station's absolutely tiny. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. I've not seen it together.
Managed to get a bit of an interaction with someone. But I used to work in Ilkley.
Right.
And a woman in Greggs, she remembered me from years ago. And I'd left my card in car, and she'd have given me my pasty and my coffee for free.
It's alright, isn't it?
So yeah, that was really nice of her, wasn't it?
Doesn't happen all the time, though, does it? I'm gonna have to be rude and concentrate on my.
It's alright, I'll go. I'll leave you to it. Alright, take care. Nice talking to you. Nice one. Massive respect.
Free water refill station.
Yeah, so. You alright, love? How are you doing? We've nearly finished. We've just been doing making a little video around train station. Obviously, this was just for last bit to sort of like get in this video.
You're not meant to do it though without permission.
But I couldn't come up to the window earlier because I didn't want to intrude with your customers.
I don't mean that. I mean you can't do it because you've got to get permission from Northern. You can't.
They've just let this straight on. They've just said, yeah, go on.
You can't. Sorry.
Is this station
You've got to go through proper regulations to be able to do any videoing.
Is this station operated by Network Rail? No, it's Northern.
Go through Northern.
Oh, I'm sure it'll be on. Is it not in Northern guidelines then about
Go through
photography
Northern.
and stuff?
You can't do any videoing and stuff, I'm afraid, without going through Northern.
We've just been on
It's
here.
an official letter.
We've just been on here. We've just been on here for 15 minutes.
Yeah, the letters on. We've just been letting us filming.
Well, you shouldn't have been.
I know if you get a.
I'm just going to check that out, guys. I'm just going to Google it right quick.
But you're not allowed to take pictures. You've got to get proper permission. You've got to go through the proper channels.
Been to 2 different sites today, and not once have we been told that.
There's a guy that they're letting run who's got a camera taking pictures now. Yeah.
Northern Rail photography guidelines.
And he's got a massive camera like that.
Yeah, yeah, he's got a big camera.
I think it's because his face ain't covered. Probably.
Right, so basically the guidelines is flash photography is not allowed at any time. You are not allowed to take photographs of security related equipment such as CCTV cameras. Tripods should be avoided where possible. Please respect the fact that some people may not want to be filmed, to be photographed. Obviously we're in a public place, so that doesn't really count. And as long as we're not carrying any heavy or bulky items, then we're allowed to do it. No, we can do it on it. I've just told you what the guidelines are.
Next one, the guys are.
The guys are just a single or return.
Yeah.
Return.
Return, okay.
That's the guidelines.
Got the £4.50, please.
The guys are so that counts.
Yeah, so it's the same as Northern Rail.
And here as well.
Sorry, what was that one?
£6.46.
E-scooters are not permitted on here.
You said 5 something.
And hoverboards.
Right, so basically that's the guidelines for Northern Rail.
Yeah.
And it's the same as Network Rail.
Yeah.
Same guidelines. Look, Northern Rail, filming a photographer.
Yeah, same guidelines.
What exactly are you meant to be doing?
We just walk around filming different places. That's exactly what we're doing.
Yeah, yeah, it's same guidelines.
Same guidelines on Northern Rail.
So I've got some guys that are doing what
Filming.
For what?
Oh, so we've got the guard.
Independent journalist.
He's just filming.
So any filming of any description has to go.
But then there's this one, Ryan. I'm going to say it on camera because it is quite interesting. So, on the actual Northern, it says filming and photography. All filming and photography requests for Northern trains and stations must be submitted in writing to the press office. Blah 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 blah. Yeah.
Right, okay. So the
but
guy,
then,
the supervisor at Bradford Interchange said he's also spoken to you. So you've got to go through the correct guidelines. You can't.
And we've also filmed at
actually-
Bradford Interchange. We walked around the whole interchange and spoke. We went even onto the platform.
yeah, we bought a platform ticket.
You're not to be filming.
We can. Listen, even if your guidelines say we can't, it's section 33 and that's law of the Criminal Justice Act 1972. So either way we can do it.
Look,
Yeah,
show with that.
yeah, that's
Here.
the.
Yeah, love.
That's what is it from earlier? The platform
Look,
ticket.
we even went on earlier and did it.
So it's proof that we've been to another station and filmed.
I'm not denying that you've been to another station.
But that's the station you're on about now.
I'm just saying to you, I know, I'm just saying to you, it wasn't the guy there that spoken to, that spoke with you.
And he let us on with that.
Well, we was allowed on with this, so
You can get on the platform, you're not to take pictures.
They let us on, take pictures with that.
to take pictures, we was walking around recording the whole interchange.
Yeah, and we never said we couldn't.
You're the first person to say we couldn't.
Even them on the platform open the gates for us.
Anyway, love, we only come over to say hello just to get a picture of this ticket office.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? There's no need to be like that with us.
I'm going to take my photo anyway.
Yeah, so listen, regardless of whether they say you can or you can't or what the guidance says, we still can do it.
Yeah, definitely.
So it's a case of tough.
Tough titty.
Tough titty. And it's not like we're filming cash or cameras or anything like that.
No.
Not anything nefarious.
Yeah.
Shut phone to, boss.
Yeah, so I've asked you nicely, I've said to you that you're not meant to do it. I've even got a British Transport Police reference which they got from me from Interchange.
Oh well, British Transport Police
Right,
can go suck a big one. Bye, Karen.
See you later, Karen. That's just rude, isn't it? You've got a British...
Not rude, I've asked you nicely to leave and not take pictures. Thank
He
you.
was talking to us about British Transport Police and he decided to be a Karen.
She's getting aggressive now. She's shouting.
I'm not aggressive at all.
It is.
I'm not aggressive at all, I've just said I'll put my window down.
I ain't knocked your window down. I ain't touched your window.
Talking about British Transport Police, but you won't actually have a conversation with us about British Transport Police. They didn't speak to us earlier, but you've got a reference number from earlier. What's that all about?
Wow.
No, nothing. And I was recording the whole conversation, so everything is on camera, everything is being recorded and monitored. Just thought I'd let you know, sweetheart.
Do you know what? We've had a really good experience here. We are going to go now, but we've had a really good experience, and you're the only person who's let Northern down today. So, yeah, I hope you're proud of yourself.
Good liar.
Bye, Karen.
Probably get a bed over last night.
Right, we're back outside. Karen's gone to sleep now, I think. We're going to wrap it up. I'm absolutely knackered, guys. It's been a long day. I think we've done something like 8 videos today, guys. It's been absolutely knackering. I'm not even joking you. We are going to wrap it up. It's been great working with these guys today. So yeah, it's Ryan Rampage. Been out with this goon before. Absolute smashing lad. Josh, who I've met first time today. Exploring with Pablo and Josh. Exploring with Pablo and Josh, yeah. So that's his YouTube channel. And Midland Audit, so I've met for the first time today, and it's been an absolute crazy one. But it always is when me and Ryan get together.
Oh yes.
It always is, guys. So, you know what to do, you know what's coming next, don't you, guys? If you liked the video, hit that comment and subscribe button, and we will see you all in the next one. Bye for now.